Hello everyone, so this is me for my last video here on the TED Talks. This last video was actually the first one we watched. It was from Ellen T. Owen, who gave a TED Talk about the medical patents pool. So basically she talks about how AIDS is become an increasing issue in Africa especially, and how there was this man who lived in Kenya. He couldn't afford the antiretroviral medication that Americans could, and generally those in wealthier countries could get access to, because at the time it cost $12,000 annually to supply these pills. However, when this issue was brought up, they eventually got India to start producing these pills because they don't recognize American patents. So pretty soon India started creating generic versions of it and selling it for very cheap. So that brought the price down, I believe, to $600 or almost $300 per year in just 3 or 4 years. So this, what was $12,000 now only costs $300, so now more people had access to it. However, after about 7 to 10 years, it dropped all the way down to $60, which is what it's at now for this AIDS medication. So now plenty of people can use it. People in Africa can afford it, and it's just makes a higher quality of life. So she's fighting for pooling all medical patents, or especially new breakthrough medicines, because they can improve the quality of life. People are no longer dying from something that they aren't dying from in other parts of the world. So this has a huge incentive, like ethical incentive. However, from the view of these big pharma companies, it might not be super like a market that they want to go into, because they're the ones who have to invest into research and development. They're the ones who are paying the upfront cost of tens of millions of dollars, paying their researchers to try out these new medicines, to go through all the testing, animal testing, or test on patients, healthy patients who are willing, etc. And those are extremely high costs. So for them to just give it up the second they create it is kind of difficult. That's why they created the medical patents pool. They created one specifically for AIDS because it's such an issue and everyone's trying to solve it. And I mean, this is a great idea. It's hard for me to see this really taking off because of the high level investment that goes into creating new drugs. Alright, thank you.